In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use SuperHatch in AutoCAD step by step so you can quickly fill closed areas with an image, block, or external reference. This is a really useful tool if you want to create more detailed drawings, add logos, or apply custom patterns inside boundaries without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and easy step-by-step guides. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Make sure the file you want to work on is already loaded and that you can clearly see the closed boundary area where you want to apply the SuperHatch. This boundary can be a shape, room, object outline, or any enclosed space. SuperHatch works best when the boundary is fully closed, so take a moment to confirm everything is properly connected before moving on. Once your drawing is open, go to the Express Tools tab at the top of AutoCAD. If you don't see it right away, you may need to check your workspace or make sure the Express tools are available in your version of AutoCAD. The Express Tools tab contains a lot of useful commands, and SuperHatch is one of the most helpful when you want more control over how hatch fills look. Now click on SuperHatch. This will open the SuperHatch dialog box where you can choose the type of object you want to use for the hatch. Here, AutoCAD gives you a few different options depending on the result you want. If you want to fill the boundary with a picture or texture, choose Image. If you want to use a reusable block, choose Block. And if you want to reference an external drawing, choose xref. Each option is useful in different situations, so pick the one that fits your project best. If you select Image, you'll usually use a JPG or PNG file. This is great for applying a visual texture, graphic, or logo inside your boundary. If you select Block, you can use a predefined block from your drawing, which is useful for repeating custom shapes or symbols. If you select xref, AutoCAD will use an external reference file, which can be helpful when your hatch needs to stay linked to another drawing source. After choosing the hatch type, select the file or block you want to use. Browse to the correct location, find the item you need, and make sure it's the right one before continuing. This step is important because the hatch will only look as good as the content you choose here. Once everything is selected, click OK to confirm your choice. Now move back into your drawing and click inside a closed boundary to apply the hatch. AutoCAD will detect the enclosed area and place the SuperHatch inside it. If nothing happens, double check that the boundary is really closed because open edges can prevent the hatch from applying correctly. In that case, you may need to fix the boundary first and then try again. After the hatch appears, take a moment to inspect it and make sure it fits the area properly. Depending on the image or block you used, you may need to adjust the scale or placement later, but the main SuperHatch process is now complete. Once you're happy with the result, press Enter to finish the command and exit out of SuperHatch, and that's how you use SuperHatch in AutoCAD. As you can see, it's a simple process once you know where to find it and how to choose the right hatch type. Whether you're using an image, a block, or an xref, SuperHatch gives you a flexible way to create more advanced fills inside closed boundaries. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.